Can I remotely control my Android phone by using AirDroid web in a browser? Can I remotely control 2 Android phones with the free version of AirDroid Personal? Can I use AirDroid Personal to remotely control an iPhone? Only one Android phone can be remotely controlled at the same time using AirDroid Personal. Can I remotely control another Android phone from my Android phone with AirDroid Personal? Can I remotely control Android phone from my iPhone with AirDroid Personal?